Today on Make It Take It Outdoors, we're going to build a rod building jig. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to make the base, I think about 18 inches long. I'm kind of winging this. I don't have a real steady plan, so you'll just have to bear with me while I do it. Alright, there's 18 inches. That'll give me a good working area, especially for like the first guide and down the pole. But I'm going to make another stand, that way I can put it at either end for smaller areas where I need to have a tighter fit. So we'll go from there. Alright, since we moved, I don't have a garage anymore, so I'm out on my front porch. And I just got to start cutting the boards. Okay, what I've done is mark the center point. I went 1 inch on either side, 2 inches down. That I'm just going to cut those V's out, and that's where the rod will sit while I'm wrapping it and everything. Sorry for the traffic noise. So here we go. Alright, all I'm doing now is cutting the feet that'll go underneath of everything, just to keep it a little more steady. Now this last one is going to be longer, and this is where I'm going to make the thread holder. Alright, so what I've done here is drilled a pilot hole for the screw, and this will go up into the board that has the V cut in it. And I've kind of bored it out here. I can't remember what it's called at the moment. It'll come back to me and I'll probably put the text on there. But yeah, that little spot where the screw goes in, so it's flush at the bottom. So hold on. Alright, as you can see, the first one's done. Attached. Now I just got to do this side and then the third platform. Alright, so what I did was just put a line of glue on there. I started the screws, and this turned out to be almost perfect height. So what I will do is just hold this in place flush and start drilling down. And I'm sure some people are going, oh my God, this is a nightmare to watch. Well, I have none of the tools I probably should be using. And there you have it. That's the first part of the jig. The only thing I have to do with this now is these pieces here. I'm going to mount them right here just as a base, and then the longer piece will go here, and that'll hold the thread holder, the tensioner. So here we go. All right, and all we're doing here is just putting those feet on that extra rod holder. All right, that is the extra foot to help out when I need a third hand. All right, well, turned out not the best. I'm not a woodworker, and my skills are lacking there. Um, Next, what we're going to do is make the thread tensioner, attach it so I can actually start wrapping rods and everything. I'll probably do a little practice video with like a dowel or something, so get my feet wet there and learning some techniques and everything. And then we'll jump into maybe restoring one of my old ugly sticks, and from there, actually building a rod. So it's going to be a lot of fun. If you like videos like this, do me a favor, hit like. You can hit subscribe. You can hit notification bell there so you know when I have new videos out. But if you really want to help out the channel, hit like, make a comment. That actually helps us out in the algorithm so other people can see this stuff. And in the meantime, tight lines. Thank you.